Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and healthy. Welcome to our computer session. We will continue our chapter number 1, that is computer fundamental, from output devices. Let us see. What are output devices? The output devices are used to display the result of instruction processed by the CPU, monitor, printer and speaker are the example of output devices. So what are output devices? Which can be seen, okay, which can be seen or given instruction, that is called output devices, okay, which is probably give the result, like monitor, printer, speaker, right? And what next we will see monitor, okay. One of the output devices are monitor. Monitor look like a TV screen, as yes, you have seen the flat screen like television. You can see it look like TV screen. The action we perform using a monitor or a keyboard are displayed on the monitor. We give the output, it display on the and process and give the display on the monitor. So monitor is also known as VDU. So VDU stand for visual display unit. And types of monitor are cathode ray tube monitor, thin film translator liquid crystal display monitor and flat panel light emitted diode monitor. These are a type of monitor we can see, okay. And next, printer. In school, in stationery shop, in Xerox shop, you have seen printer, right? A printer is the copy the information we see on the monitor onto a paper. The printer paper is called the printout. There are various type of printer, for example inkjet printer and laser printer. Laser printers work very fast and compared to other printer. So printer is the display, what they display in the monitor we can take a print out in a paper, it is called printout, okay. And the various type of like inkjet printer used, laser printer can use, okay. And nowadays laser printer are work very fast to compare to the normal printers, okay. Then you can see speaker and headphone. We can listen to music and sound effect using speaker or headphone. We have in home, and as well as we have speaker, right? We connect the we connect it to our phone or to the phone Bluetooth, and we can use also headphone to only listen to that. Speaker and headphone are the effect using speaker and headphone for listening music, okay. Next we can see storage devices, where the information are stored, where in the computer, where it is stored. We know that store result process to future use, we use result for future use, so we saved it, okay. We may need to save our drawing so that we can view it later, okay. So the device used for sorting data and known as storage device or storage media. For future use, we are using data storage in our storage media or storage devices. And what are the storage devices? That hard disk. Hard disk is the main storage devices of computer. Store a large amount of data. It is present inside the CPU box. All the work done on the computer can be stored on a hard disk. In the main device is of computer is hard disk, right? You have heard also. So large amount of data and many more your data are in hard disk. It present inside the CPU box. It is on the CPU. CPU means the brain of the computer, okay. And it is stored inside that hard disk, is stored inside that. You can see the picture also, like all the work done in the computer stored in the hard disk. All the work we have saved, that is stored in the hard disk copy, okay. Now next is CD and DVD. CD stand for compressed device and DVD digital versatile disc. Okay, what is the they are in round in shape. You have already seen that these are circle and round in shape and can store lots of data. They can be easily carried from one place to another. The DVD and CD are used first very means previous time the now they are CD and DVD are using, but not in a wider case. Okay, not in a full case, because we are now storing in the where pen drives, right? So it is the storage of data easily to take one place to another. Now instead of storing in CD and DVDs, we are using pen drive. You can see a pen drive is a storage device which is very small in size. Okay, it is easily kept in the pocket, right? And it can store many data from the computer. Next you can see hardware and software. Hardware means we can touch it. We can touch like CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, speaker. We can touch. It is a physical part of the computer. Touch and feel that this is a computer, this is a keyboard, this is a mouse. Okay. And software alone cannot refer any function. It cannot be touched. Okay, but it gives to a computer perform a task is called the computer program of software. Okay, we cannot touch it, but it is the main function of the computer. In other words, software directed and guide the operating input process of the computer. The games we play, the music we listen to, document on which work. Most importantly, the operating system that we can compute are example of software. Okay, Windows 10, Tux Paint and Microsoft Office are commonly used in software. Software cannot be touched, but it is the main process of the computer to guide the operating like input, process and output, right? Next you can see the difference between hardware and software. Any part hardware we can see any part of the computer that can be touched and feel in hardware, and software has rules of program given to computer. Okay, task or action which cannot be touched, in only give the program inputs. Okay, it wear out with time. It does not wear out with time. And what are the examples of hardware? Monitor, keyboard, CPU, scanner and printer are the examples. And what are the example of software? Windows OS, Paint, MS Word an example of software. Now we will see type of software. There are two types of software: system software and application software. So in system software is the built-in software that control and manage the overall work of the computer. It basically the drive of the computer, just like we have drive for our school bus. So what are the system software? It is the driver of the computer which control and manage the overall work of the computer. Okay, the system software consists of operating, that is OS. Okay, and Windows, Unix, Linux and Mac OS are the example of popular operating system, right? And next is application software. A software that help us to do a specific type of work is an application software. There are various type of application software that we may install in our computer. Applications are the important part of the computer. We install different application to use the computer as we want. बहुत सारे हम इंस्टॉल करते हैं application for the use of it, and where it is used in the software of the computer. Okay, specific type of work is done in different type of application are there. So the software we use to first we install, and according to the given instruction we use that application, right? Some of the common use of application software are word process software, Word and Word Perfect. So what we can do, we have done the Word, MS Word, Excel, these all are the application software. Okay, and drawing painting software, Paint and Tux Paint are also used in application software, right? So students, I hope you like this chapter, and please read this chapter once. Thank you everyone.